Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a pencil, a unicorn, notebook, and scissors. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a rainbow pencil. I like this! Now let's draw a simple notebook. And we draw a unicorn head on the cover. Finally, I draw scissors. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the pencil with the colors of the rainbow, red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink, cream, fuchsia. For the notebook, I use pink. Then I colored the unicorn with mint, fuchsia. For the horn, I used the colors of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Finally, I colored the scissors red. And gray. Bravo! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.